election ya starting Bawumia starting MPP fo ewom mpanifo ewom omo eya alagifo omo eye imamfo wa unim se oyire wo MPP mu biala wo kodi Bawumia chi wo baas nim no ne ho ofa manenko because niema esisi wo during campaign time no empo no obi a ono ankasa de nana ode Bawumia be join na campaign omo ma ne waiver no oba woni na dakora Bawumia so ne kodai nti Bawumia de se wo yire kan campaign ni ho ampacho mane ntena fi no ne de no wo kora efe ne nani nso sisi wanya bibia no enkofo MPP mpanifo obi a pese Bawumia ene ne bankoda obi a pese Bawumia emfa ne ba nti wom de semila ne de wom de na ye photoshoot keke mesre se ne ekono Ghana fo pese ye je power MPP fo nso ade omo ye ne se omo pese ewi ni by premise we Bawumia Brian Champon Kennedy Japan Educhum Kwabre Japan ono na omo pese Bawumia wi ni the main lesson na omo badwen ho ne de omo nwen ho omo pese omo sisi olusu we ya omo besa de number 2032 omo besa de number 2036 omo besa de number 2042 debi media me desre de nyina ne se kwan a Bawumia de party na fa so no kwan a wo ma ofa so a okodidi o ma abronye sika no okodidi Donkam William atem no Christians wo krum ha sisi nipa 20 a started northern region omo ye tribal politics wo ko kan bidi omo so ye tribalism mesre Christopher wo krum so MPP for say omo de Bawumia bebe bi ma Bawumia ne ma abronye kodidi Donkam William atem nipa Donkam William atetiom mu Christopher mo ye nyatwom se chief imam ubetimi abie wanu akodi chief imam atem wo krum ha ansema Bawumia ma abronye ko kan chief imam obi aka na no atum media abronye ni Kennedy de minim se me see 2 years 3 years 4 years o mesa kambo because o me Kennedy no no mfa ni party fo ni agro oni ni nya problem with the party ni ho a o mfenchew nti ho de me mfa no ho be se wo kodidi chief imam atem Bawumia na hye won Bawumia nkofo nsa ni o masori o kodidi ya IGP ase won nsa ni o masori utimi ka kire o man mu nyina IGP se ne ho kankan o ye kwasampani no aka kire president se president of republic oni obi bakoda oni obi yire akoda ni deputy minister ko fakola ne bra ni ehu fakola ni mpo picture bra wo so waka wi nti wafo anwodi Supreme Court amma verdict no a wo call law school one pass no na wo wa begina bontin na wo chirichiri mu kire Ghana fo wo de high Supreme Court nya high court nya P court intermediate madisi di na ne se Bawumia no oye mambofo ni esi nyina no problem no me say o penipa owo odo wo nka bom okrum ha uyi Kennedy a me nam ka che ha dwen na me de na me mpa ya me bo ne se nka MPP fo ni bi ebenya oyo honhom te se papa bi ba ne efre no obetiti kufo pa no ye ndisi ni asem foforo mo kai no asem foforo se mo kai asem foforo a enkese se MPP fo ni bi nya akukuduro no ogina se Bawumia ade a wode ye party ye de ye pese hu ane se sisie ne enti ama mi bie ma no nyina ne se
abusua won sansam na Alex Tetteh eka no sa de we ne be ma Kennedy Japan o wini kra na only obian campaign ma no because this thing that you are saying no I don't see any sense in it, especially saying say oyo ba men kon kudi Dr. Bawumia mo baas na chi na ono ba akoda say afraid say come and you prove what you are saying now. Can you actually prove it? If you cannot prove it, then it means that you cannot. Nsem hunu yam kwase asem wo sa nipa no nka bibia wo bia na hwehwe na ye che wo next said ye wo se ye we fata wo bia no de ye wo because I don't understand the reason why the only campaign message you have is to call someone names upon names. So I don't know. Is this the only way you people can do your campaign? You people cannot do a clean campaign without, saying all these things. Charlie, sometimes I feel sorry for the people that watch these kind of videos and mama wo mo ofie. Ntete ben na mo de mo e wo fie na mo wo no. Ntete ben na ade mo because papa pinni mo te se wo wadwen wo tumu nyina no eye nsem hunu. You've never made any statement a profound statement. It is always hate speech, hate speech, hate speech, hate speech. And it is not going to help this country. What you are saying doesn't hold any water. In fact, it doesn't make any sense. And I don't really understand the reason why all the messages are this is what you choose to use as your campaign message. And you think Ghanaians are going to fall for this yastic, this nonsense talk from you and vote for your... Because tell me the reason why you can't say anything. Now, Shenkwa Asma Waka, do you have evidence to prove what you have been saying from the onset? You see, it is not about just making noise. It's about saying something sensible. I really don't blame you though, because there are still people in this country, they would subscribe to this nonsense that you are doing and believe in it. That is what they want. That is what they want. So I don't know, but Nipana O204 say you should be saying all these things. I think the person is doing you harm than good. That is the honest truth. Because this thing that you just said, after listening to it, it clearly shows that you are still uncultured. You are still saying things that is kind of useless, has no any merit and has no sense in it. And you think that is the best way you can go with your campaign. You guys should continue doing what you are doing, but we are also watching you guys from afar. I know you guys are not going to win, but this thing that you guys are doing, you are creating problems for us, because after we win, you need to come and debunk all these stupid things that you guys are saying. And that is also another work for us to do. That is also another work for us to come and do. I don't really understand you guys. So can't you guys just do a clean campaign, a free and fair one, so that you not put anyone in a situation whereby ourselves spending a whole time to explain things to people? I don't understand. It's very, very sad, but if you have this kind of people in your political party, how do you expect the political party to even win power? How? Because how can you say things like this? How can you say things like this? And you have the guts to post it. And then Yansafobin when you post it, trendy this useless thing from such an uncalled person like Tetteh. No wonder you are following that guy. And if Yakase can Japan be loose, people would not understand. People would think that maybe Mpena 70 and PCB campaign. It is not like that. The truth is that Nipa or the Omasawan didn't want to from when you didn't see a former campaign manager resign here, or see the people around their man are draining or form. And this Tetteh guy is an example. So are draining or form, because how can you say that those things can come to me from an uncle? Because I see it to be useless, I see it to be stupid, and things like this. It needs to free an umbra. That is the honest truth. Things like this, it needs to free an umbra. Even to be back, my foot soldiers no go see on the not you are very close to the person. You're not supposed to come out and be saying these things. You're not supposed to be coming out and be saying these things. Chale mo madwani e din. Mo madwani e din. Una mo madwani e din ma kan Japan no. Because you never win election. So be no be there, so be no win. Win election. When your campaign message, bro. 2025 when we've passed these things. We've passed these things. Way more yet. 1950 mo no one madwani from na kasa sem, but 2025 obi eniate. So you saying things like this doesn't win you. It doesn't score any point. It doesn't give you the vote you need to win the election. It doesn't. So just be serious. Just be serious and do things that is important. That is what we are saying. This thing that you are saying does not win election. God damn it, you guys should be serious for once. You guys should be serious for once. This is a warning we are sending to you people. It is time, if you think you cannot do a clean and fair campaign, you better stop it and stop making unnecessary noise and putting your candidate in a tight situation whereby he needs to come and explain.